Want to get your special person begging to be with you by tomorrow? You've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll reveal the quickest way to make your SP, or special person, crave your presence. Let's dive in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insights on manifesting your desires. And if you're ready to fast-track your manifestations, check out the first link in the description for personalized coaching with me. First things first, let's talk self-concept. Your self-concept is how you view yourself. Do you see yourself as the prize? If not, it's time to change that mindset. Remember, your beliefs about yourself shape your reality. Start by affirming daily that you are deserving of love and everything you want. Next, focus on your specific person. Let go of any negative assumptions you have about them. Instead, visualize them as you want them to be. Imagine them reaching out to you, expressing their desire to be with you. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. Here's a quick technique. Write down or visualize a clear scene where your specific person is begging to be with you. Imagine them apologizing, showing affection, or whatever fits your ideal outcome. Do this for just 10 minutes and really immerse yourself in the feeling. Consistency is key. Keep your focus on the end result and let go of any doubts. Believe that it's already done. Your confidence and clarity will speed up the process. Ready to take action? Click the first link in the description for exclusive tips and personalized coaching. Let's make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you're applying these techniques. See you in the next video.